The outbreak of avian influenza or bird flu in the United States has led to the import ban of poultry and its products from some states. To give us an update, we have with us on the phone Agriculture Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa. Magandang umaga po. Thank you very much for joining us.
Hi, Paolo. Good morning. Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng nakikinig at nanonood.
Well, Sec, let's start off first with the import ban po from some of the products coming from the United States, especially with the bird flu affecting some of yung mga products po nila. Just how much are we affected by that in terms of yung supply po natin when it comes to eggs and poultry products?
Paolo, nagkaroon tayo ng import ban sa 4 states ng US. Ito yung Illinois, Minnesota, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Dahil na rin dun sa meron silang outbreak ng H5N1. Ito yung highly pathogenic avian influenza. In terms of volume, actually medyo malaki yung sa US in terms of poultry meat. But meron naman tayong alternative sources. So okay lang naman. Tsaka consistently nagkakaroon naman tayo ng mga ban kapag merong mga ganitong outbreaks coming from other countries.
Mm-hmm. Sir, preemptively, the DA has already made moves to address yung global a threat of a global bird flu outbreak and of course price surges all over the world. So far po ba, masasabi po ba natin na hindi po in danger yung egg supply natin dito? If I'm not mistaken po, there was one report that did suggest that baka by April this might be an issue.
Excuse me, meron tayong cases ng bird flu sa bansa natin. But it's sa ngayon talagang maganda yung control natin. In fact, right now, unlike the African swine fever, ngayon wala tayong active case ng nitong bird flu. The last time na nagkaroon tayo sa Pandi, Bulacan. So, in terms of egg supply, actually, we have, at the moment, oversupply pa nga ng eggs. Mm-hmm. And yung naunang nabanggit, na by April, magkakaroon tayo ng shortage, it's just parang active response ng DA to ensure na hindi mangyayari ito because na rin nga ng sobrang cases ng bird flu sa United States. So, right now, we're doing everything para masigurado that we'll
mm-hmm. Sir, for those who are not familiar po with how bird flu can affect humans po at kung bakit apektado yung supplies when it comes to poultry when there is a bird flu outbreak, can you give us more information on how the virus can be transmitted to humans and animals and what should be done to prevent infection po?
Yung avian influenza can be transmitted from infected animals to humans, but there are very rare cases of transmissions between human to human. So, ang talagang medyo in danger would be those who are tendering yung kanilang farms directly, so yung mga farm workers. But sa ngayon nga, wala pa tayong cases ng animal to human cases dito sa ating bansa.
Sir, are there any government-approved vaccines to help spread the disease?
Meron na tayong ongoing ngayon, under trials nung vaccine for bird flu. And like doon sa vaccine natin for ASF, it's ongoing ng review ng ating FDA.
Mm-hmm. Sir, last January po, naka-outbreak or at least some reports sa Camarines Norte of bird flu. Of course, the question will always be, has that been completely controlled already? And of course, are there any other areas the Agriculture Department is monitoring for this highly pathogenic disease?
Yeah, that was monitored in Talisay, in Camarines Norte, and it was controlled already. And based on our surveillance around the affected areas, wala na tayong nakita pa na case uli na sumulpot. So, wala na tayong problema doon. In fact, wala na tayong bagong case or new active case ng bird flu of any strain sa ating bansa.
Sir, ano po mga simptomas from the poultry itself when it comes to bird flu? What are we looking for when we are worried about yung avian bird flu po?
That's like any ng ordinary flu, talagang high fever, masakit yung for humans,
Opo.
yung mga masakit ang katawan, and then, of course, yung cough and cold. Pero most likely talaga mataas ng lagnat.
Sir, sa poultry mismo po, how can we detect the bird flu amongst our poultry?
Ano yan? Talagang sudden death din sa mga poultry natin. So, mabilis din yung pagkalat nito.
Sir, your message to the public right now who are worried about bird flu and of course how it can affect yung poultry supply po natin dito sa Pilipinas?
Again, I just would like to assure our countrymen na controlled yung cases ng bird flu sa ating bansa. No need to worry about the supply. In fact, ang poultry subsector natin ang nagko-contribute sa growth ng agri-sector. For the past how many quarters and years, consistently tumataas yung production natin ng poultry and yung eggs natin. And it's safe to eat and consume yung ating poultry products, but nevertheless, it's always advisable to cook them properly. Good morning and maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much po. That is the Agriculture Assistant Secretary Arnel De Mesa. Maraming salamat po.